This question by Lambo Boy: what's the reason why you don't touch Adsets in a CBO? So the main thing is I want to let Facebook algorithm do its job. When you create a CBO, it's optimizing which of the best ad sets to push, and it has it all set up. Whereas if you do ABO, each ad set is independent. Whereas in a CBO, all the ad sets are playing together, so you don't want to move things around. So CBO is campaign budget optimization, where Facebook distributes your budget across all your ad sets, and it optimizes in real time to know which ad set to give the most budget. So every time you do a manual change, it resets the learning phase. It confuses the algorithm and it resets the optimization progress. So let's say you have 5 ad sets within the CBO. It knows which of the 5 is the best, and when you change a budget, change a targeting, that whole optimization process gets reset and your performance may drop and your cost per result may rise. So the algorithm needs stability. So CBO works best with long-term data signals. So making changes breaks that data consistency. So let Facebook gather enough data to make smart decisions on its own. If you do want to make a change, duplicate the CBO, and in the new CBO that's duplicated, make the change there. Only touch adsets if the spend is too, even I won't recommend this. If the spend is too skewed, I'd recommend duplicating it, turn off the one that's taking most of the spend. Do that. Duplicating is probably better. Yep, this is what I mentioned earlier. Duplicate, make changes in the new version, compare results side by side, and test, and let each CBO run to the end. If it's not profitable, turn it off, duplicate it, and make the change you want. And each one you can be like, for the CBO version 1, all 5 ad sets. CBO version 2, turned off the worst performer, 4 ad sets left. CBO 3, turn off the worst performer, 4 ad sets left, exclude India from the targeting. So you want to duplicate it and make changes that way, so you'll be able to clearly see the results. Because if you made the changes that I said in version 2 and 3 in number 1, not only are you resetting the learning phase, but now you don't know what is working and what's not. Whereas in the setup I have of CBO version 1, 2, and 3, you're able to see what the results were and how the results were affected with each and every change that you made. Trust the algorithm. Your job is to feed it, not to fight it. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. DM me on Instagram at AndyQBuy. I'm more than happy to answer any more questions completely for free. I want to give value, I want to help out in any way possible. If you're looking for more one-on-one mentorship, coaching, you want me to work with you over your shoulder, hit me up as well, and I'll see if I can help you. If I can, I'll jump on a call. If not, I'm more than happy to just keep helping out for free. So send me a DM on Instagram, because I'd love to help out and answer any more questions. Peace.